Let Girls Thrive project by Teach for Kenya is a project that intends to address the harmful gender norms and practices that impede access to quality education for our children across our partner schools and beyond. And what we are doing to address this is one, creating safe spaces for our children, both boys and girls, to rise and thrive. And how we do it is one, by installing talk boxes, we call them speaker boxes, across our 21 schools, so that they are alternative platforms for our learners to express themselves on the issues that they face that needs them to be addressed. Secondly, we have empowered them through self-defense skills, karate sessions across the schools, targeting 3,000 of them to be able to build on their collaboration skills, confidence, being more empathetic, and most importantly, being aware of their surroundings, either at school, at the community, and at home, so that they can be able to respond to any threat to their safety and well-being, not necessarily robbers or advanced skills, but basically how they can even just know when to run away and so forth. And another skill that we have, a component, is life skills and gender sensitization sessions through the partnership with Girl Rising, whereby this KICD approved series of stories in this curriculum is being used by our educators, our system teachers, and our fellows paired together to be able to empower them to have self-skills and understand gender roles and gender-based violence, among other challenges that are affecting them, and how they can overcome them so that they become champions of gender equity and also girls' education.
At Betterlife, we are implementing the Let Girls Thrive program. So under this program, we have different activities that we do in Betterlife. One of them is life skill and gender sensitization program that we use the Girl Rising curriculum to implement. So under this, we train children on mechanism how they can build resilience while acquiring knowledge or acquiring different skills. So we implement this in every week. We have a program designed through the curriculum that we do. Our first session, a storytelling session. The second one, we do a video session with the student. And the third one, we do an activity session with the student. So with that, the students are able to acquire skills that are enable them to build resilience.
Another component is now what we have been doing today, what we call the parents, perazas and stakeholders sensitization forums, where we are bringing in parents and stakeholders across our 21 schools. We are targeting 1,000 of them. And what we want to do is, we have, like today, we have been speaking to them about their role in this cause of fighting gender norms and practices that affect access to quality education. And what has been a key takeaway is that our parents really understand what is required of them. However, they need some support in terms of being reminded on some of the key areas they should focus on, which is at a family level, being able to listen more to their children and being able to support, especially to ensure that whenever a case of abuse or something that has affected their rights is reported or is identified, they know where to run to and to seek support and resolution of this, to get justice for their children and so forth. The stakeholders who have come in, the people from the public administration, the chiefs, assistant chiefs, village elders, and also local leaders, those child rights officers, the community health promoters, among others, who have certain position in the society, have also been empowered to be able to support these efforts in collaboration with the school and the parents in the community, to be able to support the parents to get resources and support that is needed for them to address any challenges that they face, especially when they are handling their children and addressing challenges related to gender inequities across the schools and the communities that our children come from.